free fall. If we release an object from a height, because of the gravitational force, it will get attracted towards the center of gravity. When an object is only under the influence of the gravitational force alone, that means there is no other force acting on it, then we say that object is in free fall or it is falling freely. Now we are going to see about the kinetic energy and potential energy of the object which is having the mass m and it is falling freely from height h. And we are going to consider the points A, B and C respectively to understand the different position of that particular object. Okay, so the height this is h. So see here you have h, this is h, correct? Here this is first point A, okay? This is intermediate point B and this is point C last. I will write it in a bold letter so that you can see. This is point A, first point. This is the intermediate position B and C. This is the last position C. Okay, at each case. Now this B can be anywhere. It can be towards A side, it can be towards C side or it can be exactly in the middle, kuch bhi. So for every point between A and C that will be true. Okay, so we are going to understand each cases. First case we are going to observe when the object is at point A, that means initial position. Okay, so here is the object. Now the object is stationary, that means the initial velocity is 0, isn't it? Let us apply the formula of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is half into mass into square of velocity, half mv square. But what is v here? Velocity here is u. So, is 0, right? U and u is 0. So, half into m into 0. What is half into m into 0? It will be 0, right? So, we have half into m into 0. So, answer comes out to be 0. So, kinetic energy at point A is 0. Now, let us consider potential energy. Understand, we are at a height of h, right? So, potential energy का formula क्या है? The formula for the potential energy is mgh, right? So, here the height is h, complete height. The potential energy will be mg into h because we have considered the mass as m, na? So what is the total energy? Ke plus Pe is the total energy because we are not considering anything else. We are just thinking that it is under the action influence of the gravitational force alone. So Ke plus Pe, what is Ke? Ke is 0 and Pe is mgh. So total energy will be mgh. So finally at point A, here we got the total energy as mgh. So let us mention that at a, so we got here mgh here. Okay, at point A it is mgh. Okay, let us go towards the next part. नाउ इंटरमीडिएट स्पेस, जब भी वो गिर रहा है, ऊपर से गिरा बॉल या पत्थर, वट एवर इट इज, when it is falling down. Okay, so let us consider. Now here the object is having the velocity, say VB, because point I am considering B, so velocity I am considering as VB, right? And let it is at a distance of x from A. Now children, here I am drawing the diagram so that you can follow. ये पूरा h है, ठीक है, ये point तुम्हारा A है, this is your point B, so this much distance is x. So can you tell me how much will be this? Total is h, so h minus x it will be. Is it clear? Complete AC is h, उसमें से AB is x. So what is BC? BC will be h minus x. Correct? We'll go towards the diagram if you want. Observe this. The entire thing is h. Out of this, this is x. So what will be this part? This part will be x minus x. Okay? So I'll just clear the things. So what do we have? We have, of course, initial velocity was 0 only. Now, what is the displacement of the object? Displacement of object is x. And what is acceleration? Acceleration is acceleration due to gravity. Correct? The body is also falling down and the gravitational force is also in a downward direction. So we'll have positive sign only. Now let us see the second equation. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So what is A here? A is G. And what is S? S is the X. X उतना displacement किया ना वो B से, मतलब A to B X है ना, तो displacement is X. Correct? So what is VB square? 0 plus 2GX. So VB square is 2GX. Is this much part clear? Right? Now we'll go further. Observe. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is half mv square. What is v here? Vb. तो vb का square. चलो ठीक है. So half into m. What is vb? vb हमको यहाँ पे मिल गया था. And it is 2gx. So I can substitute 2gx here. Yes. Now because of this 2 will get 2 and you will become left with mgx. So kinetic energy of the object is mgx. चलो ये तो ठीक हो गया, ये हो गया the kinetic energy. That body must be having potential energy also ना, तो चलो वो फाइंड करते हैं. क्या है फॉर्मूला फॉर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी फॉर्मूला इज mgh. Now children, यहाँ पे h stands for the height and this height is how much it is away from the ground. ठीक है, तो कैन यू टेल मी कि वो जब वो बी पे होगा तो वो ग्राउंड से कितना दूर होगा? व्हाट इज द हाइट? यस करेक्ट, द टोटल हाइट इज h एंड उसमें से वो x उसने कवर कर लिया है, तो अभी ग्राउंड से कितना दूर है? इट इज h माइनस x. करेक्ट, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक height as h minus x in the formula of mgh. So my potential energy will be mg और h की जगह पे अभी height क्या हो गई? H minus X. Is it clear? So, my P will be mgh minus mgx. I am opening the bracket. mg से दोनों को multiply किया है. mg into h and mg into x. So, mgh minus mgx. Now, let us find out the total energy. Total energy is what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. What was the kinetic energy we got? We got kinetic energy as mgx. तो वो आ गया mgx. ये हम लोग ने लिख दिया kinetic energy. What is potential energy? Potential energy is mgh minus mgx. Now what will happen? mgx will get cancelled and you are left with mgh. So at point B, my total energy is mgx. What was it in case 1?